In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily sync multiple tracks in music and video and all that sort of stuff inside of DaVinci Resolve. This works in the free version, and let's just get straight into it. So jumping here straight into DaVinci Resolve, I've got my 2 video clips and I've got 2 audio clips, but I'm only going to be using one. And these are what I'm going to be syncing up. So we're going to bring our clips down onto the timeline, and the way we're going to do this so that the syncing works properly is we're going to be stacking them. So just stack them like so, and then I'm going to grab my audio here. I'm going to bring this in over top. Now it doesn't matter what these clip durations are because they're all going to be a little bit different. But we'll be syncing the audio using waveform, or however you want to pronounce it. So we're going to select each of these clips, so the audio, the top video and the bottom video. Make sure they're all selected, and then we're just going to right click with our mouse, and we're going to make our way and find auto align clips. So we're going to hit that, and it's going to pop up with this little box here which we can use to refine some settings. And so the synchronization, or the way that we're going to let DaVinci Resolve sync this audio, is dependent on how you recorded your video or your audio. So for instance, it's automatically set at the moment to timecode. We don't use timecode. We're instead going to hit the drop down box and we're going to select waveform. So we're going to select this drop down and make sure we've got waveform selected. And then for the track numbers, we're going to hit the drop down and we're going to select automatic. So it's going to take a reasonably fair mix of every file that it has available in order to get the best syncing for your different angles. And then from here we're going to hit the sync button, and it's going to do some thinking. It's normally pretty fast, and as you can see, each of these different clips moved in a different direction in order to sync up. And so to make sure that we've got a clean audio sync, we're going to come over to where everything is synced up. So that's the start of this audio clip, and we're just going to split the clip there and delete this side because we can't use that anyway because there is no crispy audio aligned with it. And again over here, because at the end there's no audio synced here. These 2 clips are synced here, but there's still no audio attached, so we need to come all the way to the end, and now we've got a usable chunk of video and synced audio ready to be used. Now when we're using this synced footage, we don't actually normally want the audio from the cameras, so we're going to mute track 1, we're going to mute track 2, so that now we've only got the audio from the crispy track. So we're going to play this through. It's pretty well synced up. Little Mila, that's Mila the cat. So I had 2 cameras recording at once. Let's see if that lined up. Yeah, that's really good. And that's how you easily sync up your audio, your video, all inside of DaVinci Resolve. That all works in the free version. If you still feel like you don't quite understand, so make sure to let me know in the comments below if there was anything specific which you need explained or you need some guidance with. And I've got a free Discord community that you can jump on in so that you can, get all of your questions answered or issues inside of DaVinci Resolve. And other than that, make sure you subscribe so that you keep leveling up your video editing inside DaVinci Resolve. And next up, you're going to start over here learning how to start using and understanding keyframes inside of DaVinci Resolve.